Today at Adventure Bake Lab, we're going to make yummy banana bread. We need 4 bananas. So first we peel the bananas. We're going to use forks to mash them. All the bananas are mashed. We're going to set the bananas to the side for now. Let's just set the bananas to the side. Next, we need 1 1/4 cups flour. Can you pour it into the bowl? It's a little heavy. I can help.
Enough.
All of it, all of it. Let's pour all of it in. Good.
Let me touch it.
You can touch it. Next, we need 3/4 cup almond flour. Make it. That's about 3/4 cups. Okay, pour that in. Pour all of it in.
Enough.
All of it. Pour all of it in. More. Now we need about 2 tablespoons of cacao powder.
Let me touch it.
You can touch it. You like chocolate?
Yeah, I ate chocolate.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. Good.
No, yeah.
Not a lot, just a little bit. A little bit of cinnamon. Good. A little bit of nutmeg. Okay, good. A little bit of salt.
Sauce.
Pour that in. We need to mix everything together.
Whoa.
Set the dry ingredients to the side. And now we're going to add more wet ingredients to our bananas. We need to add 3 tablespoons melted butter. Good. We need Greek yogurt.
Good yogurt.
Can you help? This is about 5.3 ounces, so we want about 1/3 of it. That's good. 2 eggs.
I'll make a mess here on the side. This strandy. I do hard. She quiet and that.
Yeah, you cracked it really hard.
She
A little bit of vanilla extract. Wow. 1/3 cup of maple syrup. We're using maple syrup because it's healthier than just plain sugar. This is 100% maple syrup. Okay. Pour that in. And let's mix all the wet ingredients together. Now we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. You want to help me? We can put it in the oven. We forgot something. What did we forget?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. You want to put chocolate chips in?
Yeah.
A lot, yeah.
No, 2, 3.
Yeah, not 2 or 3. Okay.
What?
1. Let's mix the chocolate chips now. Mix.
No.
Okay, good.
What are you doing?
We have to pour it into the bread pan. First, we need to line the pan with parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Next, we'll put it in the oven to bake for 60 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's done. It's done. Wow. Look at this. Ready? Watch your hands. It's hot. Wow. Look at this. How's it look?
So cool.
So cool? Let's cut it. Watch your fingers. Let's cut a piece. Wow. Banana bread. Healthy banana bread made from Adventure Bake Lab. Bye-bye.